Guys, what's up? In this video we are going to learn how to use Python to write the Fibonacci series. As you can see in the top, you may be wondering why did I ask number of terms. It's because the computer takes we need to give the computer we need to tell it how many terms to print out so that it can do that. Don't know what infinity is. So next we are doing making an integer. The next thing we are just defining some variable a is 1, okay? Leave it at that, and defining z as an empty set, and that's what we are going to print out. I mean the Fibonacci series. And as you can see, I defined v as the first three terms of the Fibonacci series, and you will be knowing why should I define them separate, like why can't I add them all to z, why can't they all come in the same process? So I'm going to tell you that. And as you can see, c equals a plus 1. As I said, a is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. I can just say c equals to 2. Well, let's see, that would be a better pick though. And next I said if b is greater than or equals to c, I mean 3, not c, then you are gonna extend v. And then if you're gonna check, I'm talking to the computer, not you, okay? And you're gonna check while, I mean, if the length is less than or equals to b minus 1. So here the length is not 3 but 2, because 0, 1, 2 are the positions. Now if b minus 1 is 2, already 2 equals to 2, so you can't do any more, just print it. So it just prints it. Let's run. Let's check if it is working or no. Let's say 3. There you go. See? But what about 4? It prints the correct term too. So if we have 4, it's less 2 is less than 3, right? That's when it goes into the while loop, and it goes only once, because if you then it becomes 4 and it's done. C equals to c plus a, that means c already, as I said, 2 plus 1, which is 3. It just adds appends into c, I mean just appends c means it just adds it into z. And now I'm defining a as c minus a, which means now a is redefined as c, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So now a value is 2, not 1, but it's 2, but only in the loop, not outside, okay? But we don't need that because we have only one loop, and that's not necessary. But what about 6 terms? I mean, we got now this. So now it thinks the value of a is 2. Now it adds to c, which is 3 already, because it defines c as 3 again. So now it prints out 5, because it appends c plus a, not just c or not just a, whatever. And again it changes the value of a to 5 minus 2, which is 3. That's why you get 8 in the next loop, right? And this just goes on. If you go take 10 or whatever, take 10, now you got all the correct numbers. I guess they're right. What about 12? 122? No, it's too big. Not for the computer, but to look at. Just goes this way. How about now? Look, how about 1? Because I already said it's here. Look at the if condition. It's just for over 3. What about 1, 2, and less than 0? Let's see what it's going to say. Elif b equals to 1. Else if b equals to 1, then print just 1. I don't want to write a whole new program for it. I just say print 1 because I know 1 is the first term. And if b equals to, just print 1 comma 1. That's easy one, right? Isn't it easy to write that way? Let's write one new condition. Elif b is less than or equals to 0. What if this will happen? I guess the user want to trick the computer, and I'm going to trick him now. Invalid number of terms. And let's see what the user who really has the good pick. What if I say -1? Yeah, my computer is smarter than you, user. User, you are the loser now. That's cool. Isn't it cool? This is cool, really. Wait, I didn't give any number. Sorry. There you go. So it's this is how it's working. Once again, number of terms, integer, defining stuff greater than, then you extend it and stuff, print, while loop, all the stuff, and you have elif. That's the easiest part. And if you really want to make the user feel guilty of himself, just write some bad word in the invalid number of in the place. Write something like "you fool" or whatever. They would realize the computer is not a thing to play with, but it's a useful thing. Something like that. Okay, so I'm going off topic now. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like. And if you found this helpful, tell me in the comments. And any suggestions, just tell me. I'm going to try my best to do that. And I'm telling you, I'm still a beginner. I just like to show you what I got. That's it. Okay, bye for now.